The title of this video is मोक्ष का ज्ञान क्यों जरूरी है? Bapuji says supreme peace, Param Shanti. Today we will discuss why we need liberation. When is liberation achieved? In Bhakti Marg, the path of devotion, this word is used where people ask for liberation. They urge for liberation. So for liberation, knowledge is required and the knowledge is obtained from the Guru preceptor. So the knowledge of liberation. In Bhakti Marg tradition, there is 4 to 5 type of liberations. What is difference between Bhakti Marg and Gyan Marg? In Gyan Marg, which is path of knowledge, it is clear. You need moksha, liberation. Moksha means liberation or transformed life liberation, means 2 types. Then what do you mean by moksha? Meaning of moksha is wish to dissolve one's soul in the God, Supreme Soul. So those who are Brahmagyani become like Brahma, their creator. They wish to dissolve themselves in the Parbrahm Parmeshwar, Supreme Creator in Supreme Abode. It is called as Mukti or liberation. It is liberation of Par Brahma. Those who are on devotional practice path, Bhakti Marg, wish to dissolve in their Ishtadev. As those who worship Lord Vishnu have belief that they have to dissolve in Vishnu. They do a lot of devotional practice. They become so non-attached that they remain sad and indifferent in the materialistic world. Then they remember and chant the name of Lord Vishnu or his incarnations very deeply. Their stage is like Meera and Narsimha Mehta. Then they dissolve in their idols. So it is also called liberation. Souls at different stages and places seek liberation. As to go to the heaven, which is Swargloka, is not any liberation. King Indra in the heaven, Swargloka, is also indulged in sensual pleasures. He doesn't have Brahmagyan or knowledge of the solar system. So the Indra also became an insect in lower dimension. All know very well, such is the king of 3 lokas. But he always remains sad and worried because he was fearful of the asuras as to when they will attack his kingdom. So Indra also lived in fear of demons every moment. His life wasn't peaceful and dignified. He doesn't have knowledge of the solar system, so he could not attain liberation. The saints living in the upper dimensions are venerated for liberation. Sometimes souls want to dissolve in the saints. Some people venerate and remember their Ishtadeva and saints also. Some are also devoted to gods and goddesses. So those who worship gods and goddesses have belief and notion that they have to go to the goddess of the clan, Kuldevi. So to go to the goddess of one's clan is also perceived as liberation. If he wants to go to Kuldevi, where Kuldevi resides, will take him there. It has been written in Gita that the one who remembers someone goes to him. Or we can say that the state and trajectory that the soul carries over after the death. At the time of death, soul leave his body in remembrance of whom will goes to him. One who is Brahmagyani, or we can say that who has knowledge of Brahm, will merge with Brahm. One who remembers Lord Vishnu will goes to Vishnupuri. One who remembers Ram will go to Saket Loka of Ram in Vishnupuri. Souls go to Vaikunt. People who worship different gods and goddesses go to Devlok. One who worships Shiv Shakti goes to the Shivpuri. One who worships Shankar Parvati goes to Shankar Parvati in Himalaya. Hence, different souls attain different type of liberation. There are 7 lokas above the earth. Sometimes people worship Gandharvs, sometimes worship Yaksh. Gandharvs, Kinnars, Yaksh, demigods resides in Bhuvarlok, which exists above Bhulok. One who worship King Kuber for wealth will go to the Yakshlok. Yaksh, Kinnar are different. It is very clear that people worship of whom like Gandharvas, Kinnars, Yaksh, all the demigods will go to their lokas like Gandharv Loka, Yaksh Loka, etc. Knowledge says that who you remember will be connected with him only. His power pulls you and you will reach to him. That's why someone goes to Vishnupuri, someone goes to Shivpuri, and someone goes to Supreme Abode. Who remembers or worship of demon will go to 7 Patal Lokas exist below the earth, such as Atal, Vital, Sutal, Talatal, Mahatal, Rasatal, and Patal. Who worships snakes will go to Nagloka. It means various types of liberation. Actually, people are not aware that what liberation is. People used to say go to heaven is liberation, but soul can enjoy a very little time in heaven. One day in heaven or Swargloka is equal to 1 year on earth. It means pleasure of 1 year on the earth will enjoy in a day only in heaven. If you do good deeds for 10 days here on the earth, then you will stay 10 days in the heaven and then will go to the hell also. This is a cycle of heaven, hell, and then human on the earth. Hence, liberation is becoming free from cycle of birth and death. Souls came here on this earth from other solar systems to get salvation or moksha from the cycle of birth and death. Like Saptarishi came from 7 stars. Hence their salvation will be in 7 stars. They will go to 7 stars. Brahmgyani came from very far away. They roam around in infinite solar systems. Some came from galaxy and universes. So their salvation will be in galaxy and universes respectively. Some came from parallel universe. Their salvation will be in another universe. Salvation means to reach from where they came. Those who came from multiverse, for them salvation is to reach the multiverse. Salvation for infinite souls on the path of knowledge is to go to supreme abode of the infinite. Definition of salvation is described differently in devotional path and on the path of knowledge. Salvation is totally different in supreme knowledge of the infinite because path of knowledge and path of devotion are different like sky and earth. There are souls following devotional path and there are knowledgeful souls, Brahmgyani souls, Mahabrahmgyani, Param Mahabrahmgyani and Brahmgyani souls of the infinite. Souls having knowledge of the beginning, middle and end of the infinite world will get salvation of the infinite. Their salvation is to go to supreme abode of the infinite. Various religions, monasteries and sectors seen on this earth, from where they came. We have full video on this, please watch. I have already said they are all aliens came from very far away planets, galaxies, universes, and they are establishing their religions, monasteries and sectors. You may watch our video Alien Connection and also watch there are salvation for those who became ghosts and devils. बेहद की परम महाशांति.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति.
Join us daily for our morning live meditation, Monday to Saturday, 5:30 to 6:30 a.m.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.